Top the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss a fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys.
Good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today is July 6th, I believe. It's Thursday, July 6th, and we are on our way to the Animal Safari in Pine, Georgia.
Yep, correcto mundo.
There go the kids. Y'all can kind of see Messiah in the mirror right there. And then we got Samia and Michael. Y'all say hey to the vlog. Are y'all ready to go to the Animal Safari?
Yes.
Me too. I'm ready to feed some animals. It's gonna be fun.
So we fed animals before. We never been to the Animal Safari, y'all.
Yeah, if y'all seen our video we did at Sequest, we fed goats. And that was real fun. So now we get to feed camels and giraffes and ostriches and all types of stuff. So it's gonna be fun. I'm excited.
Oh, they don't get aggressive, scare the kids. Oh, they don't get aggressive. I be saying they get real aggressive.
That's funny because before we go somewhere, I always watch YouTube videos on it. And they did say the ostriches nip and peck. It said the ostriches nip and peck, which I can believe that because they're birds, so you know what I'm saying.
Not just a small little bird, or a medium bird, a big bird.
But we'll catch y'all once we get there. But make sure before we get fully into this video that you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. We upload sporadically. I'm not even gonna say we upload consistently because we don't. We upload sporadically. So make sure you have your notifications on so you don't miss our uploads.
For sure, made it.
What's the animal safari? But what's the animal? Lila, we have to watch animal safari.
We in van 21 with it.
What was that?
Yep.
He said we're in the wild safari van.
She said do not feed the giraffes and something. Just throw their food on the ground. Forgot.
Okay. Baby driver.
Don't have. Oh yeah, this is me.
She the driver for van 21. Y'all ready?
Y'all ready to feed that? Somebody need to sit right here. Well, now y'all can sit in the back. Y'all good.
I'm starting getting up, so.
Can you adjust this?
Gonna be a good one.
Okay, let me start this shit.
Oh, this the old one with the
Dry.
Yeah.
He right here with Daddy.
That's all right here.
Ooh.
Messing with stuff.
Oh my God.
Oh, but they mean us. They like, nah.
This the way you go, right? What's that noise? Somebody's door over here.
They like, nah. We got our first challenge.
They running, see?
Wow.
It's zooming by itself, I didn't know it. There go a zebra.
I beat the deers near. Now it's.
You can go running. Oh shit.
Y'all in the whip. I can't even get the thing out.
The animal stuff.
Did you get it?
Dang, I can't even get it on. The giraffes, we pulled up on the giraffe side.
Oh.
Want some milk?
We want to beat the giraffe stuff. Yeah, everybody.
It's coming too. They coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
Well, don't all the animals.
It's coming. We want to beat it.
I was trying to get some good footage.
Get it.
Them animals kept rushing the
Ew, it's Dookie.
animals rushing the rush the whip.
The giraffes. We want to feed the giraffes.
Yeah, we want to feed the giraffe.
Ooh.
Yeah, we're finna feed the giraffes now.
Yeah.
Somebody else feeding.
Yeah. Yes.
And And his little friends tagging along.
Look
Look at the kid.
Another deer! That deer is catching us. Ah!
Oh, what's up, little guy? What's happening?
So deer.
Alright.
Shoot!
The giraffes ready to get fed, they said. Let's do it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Giraffes, my favorite animals. Hey.
That's what the food look like too.
They tongues.
Long.
Giraffes. Might give a giraffe some food.
Here you go.
Ooh.
Here you go.
Whoa.
Get one.
Nigga tongue longer. That nigga tongue longer.
Giraffes.
Who's that?
They,
Tongue
look, the
longer.
goat wants some too.
Oh, that. Oh, you my son. I had you. I'm the goat. Hold
See a
on.
giraffe?
Hey.
Feed it. Like,
There I go.
feed it.
Give the giraffe. You gotta put it in their mouth, y'all.
That tongue long as ever.
Ah!
He just looking.
Here, goaty, goaty.
Yeah, giraffes.
Here, goaty, goaty. Here, goaty, goaty. Here, goaties.
All right, we're gonna go now.
Another animal. It's another deer.
It's like a baby deer.
That's a Bambi. That's Bambi. Hey, Bambi.
We want to feed
These are
Bambi.
deers.
Oh, he like, hold on,
We
fool.
want to feed Bambi.
What's happening?
Well, give them food. Michael, let Layla get some food too.
Here.
Whoa, hold on, y'all greedy. He said, hold on, don't bite my hand. Don't bite my hand, no.
Go. Get it.
What's up, homie?
Mama, get it.
What's up, gang?
Look.
Okay, we gone.
Alright, holla at you.
We gone.
Holla at you, gang.
Whoa. This damn goat.
Animals.
Y'all chill out, chill out.
Another animal.
Stop
Dang.
throwing the food. Y'all dropping it all
These like some
around.
mooses right here.
Ew, is this Dookie?
Definitely, but we in they vans.
I know. Whoa, I don't want them coming up in our car like that.
Ah.
Well, you better. Well, nah, they like hell nah. I mean, heck nah.
Oh, that's a big ass moose.
Yeah, you got. You can go.
big-ass
Well,
moose.
yeah, you go slowly,
You don't say that.
straight slowly.
I'm not trying to hit.
Hold on, my boy. Bow. Hey, man.
Ah, it's a moose. Ah, it's a moose. It's a
She's
moose.
like, hold on, little
What are
lamb,
these?
little lambs or something, whatever.
Catching us.
They
Whoa, that's
chasing
a
us.
big moose. Get it, moose.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh,
Look at that deer. Look at that goat right there with the horns, the little spiral horns.
Yeah. Oh, some more goats.
Ugh, stink.
Deers.
Big animal.
Yeah, animals stink. They out here
Animal catching us.
sweating and peeing and.
Animal catching us. Animal catching us. Ah! Oh, it's not coming. It's ah! Oh.
Did you get it?
There's the Miss Lioness, right? Whoa, boy, you came out of nowhere. Boy,
The goat's chasing us. The
Look at the pig. He all wet.
muddy and something. How I be though?
Bella, the goat's
Speed
chasing
limit
us.
5 miles per hour. Well, I'm doing like 3.
They're chasing us.
Look at the cow. I got him some water or something.
Cow.
Whoa.
I should get
Somebody said move.
I got you, so let me check.
zoom in.
Look at the elks. I was gonna
Just
say
passed all
the
the cows. Well, if by where the elks be,
They're chasing
they be over there by the water and all that, all through the land.
geese. Yeah.
But I don't see any land.
Now we coming up on some buffaloes. Look like,
What is it?
yeah, we like the buffaloes.
Samia.
The buffaloes.
Samia, don't you go back there.
About the buffaloes.
Don't throw no food back there.
Yeah, this definitely Buffalo City.
I don't like the buffalo.
They big and round.
Look at all the geese over here.
Oh yeah. I see all the geese.
Well, the buffaloes ain't got
Y'all
no
want to feed the buffalo?
They don't got no horns, so.
He trotting over here and jump.
He hungry.
Well, I want to feed us eats.
Elks. I don't even see no elks. Go ahead.
I
Good
hear
job,
them.
Mimi.
I hear them too.
Michael, you still got food?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Got a crew out here.
A pool right here.
Got a whole.
Look at that one. Look at that animal. No.
Buffaloes approaching.
Geese over there. Buffaloes and goats and deers and
That one. Hey, there's a buffalo chicken.
We in Buffalo City with it. They like, nah.
Definitely buffalo.
Y'all gotta pay homage. I mean, we'll store y'all for food.
I want to see.
My boy like, nah, y'all tripping. Like, nah, it's up.
oh no, I'm gone.
Nah, we ain't got no problem, OG.
We got no OG.
We ain't got no problem, OG.
Oh my god.
We ain't got no problem, OG.
I do not like them big ass. Look how he looking. Look.
Why you
Eyes
looking
high.
like that, bro?
Oh.
Don't look like that.
Don't look like that
They
animal.
matted. Them John's super matted.
They huge.
They're huge.
We don't want no problems. You got it, gangster.
Oh my gosh, I don't like them big ass buffaloes. You can't. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. There goes some turtles. They're going inside the water.
Car.
Look, it's a turtle.
You looking at the car too?
It's a big turtle.
It's two. There go the other one. Do not get out of your vehicle. Do not put fingers in animals' mouths. Just throw some food at
So
them.
the llamas look like.
They are.
Yep.
'Cause they neck
Gotta
long.
be up.
Because I got to see him.
Right here in Lamaville.
Y'all took all the food. It's gone.
Well, we want to
Michael, you still got food?
We at Camel Junction now.
It's called Campbell Coral, I think.
I'm just talking junk, y'all.
They said don't feed the camels, they bite, but this van in front of us.
We just trying to show y'all some footage.
Look at the camel.
Oh, my boy.
Come here, look. It's a camel.
It's Chris the Camel.
But the sign said don't feed.
We can't feed you, gang.
Yeah, we can't feed you, gang. Yeah, we can't feed you, gang.
My boy, mad it up, boy.
All right, we are going to the walkabout, and it says enter at your own risk. That's what Mike said. I ain't see this.
On the employee side.
Oh, please watch your step. Oh wow. Yeah, that's a peacock. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite animal. Come on. There go some more peacocks. I want to see them open their feathers. Red kangaroo. I don't see. Oh, I see it. Oh, no, I didn't.
Where?
It's over there laying down.
Oh, see it.
It's a peacock.
This where the lemurs be.
A mad cow. Oh, look.
Look at the parrot. Look at the parrot.
Wow. I don't see no lemurs in there.
It's outside.
Hey, my name is Camara. I'm from South